My name is Thomas Hansen. I am professor of anthropology at Stanford University in California. I'm coming to Karachi next week to deliver the 9th Yohsin Lecture at Habib University. I worked on the rise and evolution of Hindu nationalism in India for many years, and I have also reflected and written about the various types of right-wing politics and right-wing movements across the world. And in my talk, which is titled The Angry Tide, I'm going to address some of these issues and try to help us all understand better what motivates and drives the current right turn in terms of political preferences, in terms of sentiments and public discussion in the world today, and also maybe to reflect on the question that many ask themselves: is this a new fascism coming? What might it look like? And how can we learn from the past in order to understand the present better? I have seen Habib University grow and develop from the first time I visited, when it was a building site, to the very thriving and interesting institution it is today. And I'm really excited to be able to deliver this annual lecture. So I hope to see you all at the 9th Yohsin Lecture at Habib University on the 26th of November.